Changing your password on Venmo is a straightforward process that helps keep your account secure. Follow these steps to update your password. Step 1. Open the Venmo app. Launch the Venmo app on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account before proceeding. Step 2. Access settings. Tap on the menu icon, usually located in the top left corner of the screen. From the menu, select Settings to access your account settings. Step 3. Select Security. In the Settings menu, look for the Security option. Tap on it to find the Password Management section. Step 4. Change password. Choose the Change Password option. You will be prompted to enter your current password followed by your new password. Make sure your new password is strong and secure. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new password, confirm it by typing it again if required. Finally, tap on Save or Update to apply the changes. Make sure to remember your new password and consider using a password manager for added security. Regularly updating your password is a good practice to help protect your account.